QuickBooks Online 2021. Credit card use. Today we will talk about entries for purchases with credit card, entry to pay the card statement. Case 1, when the bank and card company are not linked to QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online credit card use and paid balance. Case 1, your bank is not linked automatically to QuickBooks Online. Bank or credit card company issue business credit cards with a separate username and own number for each card. Even the company determines card limit for each user. We work together with real cases. At the main account, using accounting chart of accounts, and we will add 3 credit card accounts for employees. We make on Visa main account is not for use. This will be used as credit card summary of all credit cards used by employee. Account type and detail type will be credit card. Name of the account is Visa A Bank. Description: Visa main account credit card from A Bank. Make sub-account of Visa A Bank for every credit card. Account type and detail type is credit card. The name will be X501 Bill Carpenter. Last 3 numbers of the credit card and the username. Description: X501 Bill Carpenter, Visa 123456, full card number. Check the box where it says this account is sub-account and select Visa A Bank. Continue adding new sub-accounts for all users. We will add 3 cards to work. So next one will be the name X502 Elvis Johnson. Description will be X502 Elvis Johnson, Visa 123456789 Third card, the account name is X503 James Smith. Description also X503 James Smith, Visa 123503. So we made main Visa account and 3 user account. On chart of accounts, you will see Visa A Bank main account with the balance 0 and the card 501, 502, 503 all little pushed to the right side. Obviously with QuickBooks balance all 0. Now, we work with purchase with credit card. May 1st, paid office supplies $501 with credit card X501 Bill Carpenter. So we make expense, pay office depart, payment account. It's very important that you select correct one. Visa A Bank sub-account X501 Bill Carpenter. Also, payment method, you should elect Visa. Select Visa. As usual, you fill category with office supplies and software. Amount $501. You can click Save and New. We make next expense. May 2nd, we pay to Edison. Payment account Visa A Bank 501 Bill Carpenter. Payment method Visa. Category utility. Amount $1,501. Save and New. We continue adding expense. We continue with the next expense. May 3rd, paid advertising expense for $2,501 with credit card 501 Bill Carpenter. So in the payment account, we select 501 Bill Carpenter and the payment method Visa. In category advertising and marketing, amount $2,501. Save and New. We continue adding more expense entries for next purchases. Here you can see the 6 more purchases to practice. Once you are done, all credit card purchase entries are done. Now you can go to Report, For My Accountant, Transaction List with Splits. Click Customize and select Report Period. Click Rows/Columns. Select columns that you want to show on the report. Click Filter. Then you select expense on transaction type and Visa on payment method. After this, you click Run Report. Card balance on QuickBooks Online is $14,519 as of May 31st. But you received the May statements from Visa with a balance of $10,795 with 68 cents. Because the transaction $3,503 of May 31st was not included in the May statement. Also, there is a cashback of $220 with 32 cents for this period. Credit card May statement balance to pay is $10,795 with 68 cents. Cashback of a business card can be treated as an extra income. QuickBooks Online offers credit card credit entry to record cashbacks from credit card. Use of credit card credit require identifying each vendor, and this means many entries to do. Simplest way is to make one miscellaneous income for all rebates, cashbacks from credit cards and or any other vendor. So, simplest way is to make a miscellaneous income. We add a new account, type is other income, detail type other miscellaneous income, name cashback received, description received cashback or redemption. And we do save and close. Here in this report, you will see the total of the credit cards purchase on QuickBooks Online is $14,519, but the repair expense of the May 31st of $3,503 was not included in credit card statement closing date May 31st. Also, you will see there cardback month of May $220 with 32 cents, making total to pay is $10,795 with 68 cents. When you go to see the chart of the account, you will see the balance of each credit card of the purchase of the month. The main account, which we named as Visa A Bank, the balance is the sum of other card balance. So it's a total of credit card purchase of our company in this period. So we make payment entry when the company pays the statement balance to ABC Bank, the credit card issue bank, on June 21st. From the menu plus new vendors check, we put pay ABC Bank. Or it can be Discover, Amex, or any other credit card company. You should verify if the bank account is correct. If you pay in online banking, use online as check number. If the card balance is paid using AutoPay every month from your bank, use AutoPay as check number. When the check window opens, you fill pay with card issuing bank name and correct bank account to pay. Fill each line of category with the credit card account and its balance. First line will go Visa 501, amount 4,503. Second line, Visa number 502, amount $2,004. Third line, Visa 503, 4,509, until you finish with all cards used during the period. The last line goes with cashback received, amount $220 with 32 cents, but this one goes as negative. So you have to type minus 220 period 32. Save and close. We can open chart of account to see the balance of each credit card account. After you paid the May statement, there will be a remaining balance of $3,503 in Visa A bank account and in account card 503. $3,003 will be included in the June statement, next statement. We have finished how to make the entry for credit card uses and how to pay card statements to the bank or Amex or Discover, etc. Case number 2, when QuickBooks Online is linked to the bank and card company, you will find this case as a separate video on my channel. ChoiStudy.com, Kevin from LA. Thank you for watching. Like the video? Please like and subscribe. From ChoiStudy.com, Kevin, LA. Thank you again.